Hello, sisters. I see one of you has escaped already. Please quit biting my leg, goat. Let's go catch that chicken. This is gonna be really difficult with my phone in my hand. No, stop. Quit. Come on, Bro, I'm trying to save your life. Sister, quit jumping out. Stop. There you go. Stay right there. Stay right there. Oh, you're not, what? Can you figure out how to get back in there? Yes, good job. That's what I needed. Ow, can you stop? We're like doing things. Quit headbutting me.